Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Comprehensive Guide to IIT Kanpur Python Certification Course with Code Examples. Introduction. The Indian Institute of Technology, IIT, Kanpur offers a Python certification course designed to enhance your programming skills and understanding of Python. This tutorial will provide you with a detailed overview of the course and include code examples to help you grasp the concepts better. Table of Contents. Course Overview. Curriculum Highlights. Getting Started. Fundamental Python Concepts. Object-Oriented Programming, OOP. Data Structures and Algorithms. Web Development with Flask. Database Connectivity with SQLite. Capstone Project. Certification Examination. Conclusion. Completing the IIT Kanpur Python certification course equips you with a solid foundation in Python programming and its practical applications. The included code examples should assist you in understanding key concepts. Remember to practice regularly and engage with the course materials to make the most out of this valuable learning opportunity. Good luck with your Python certification journey. ChatGPT.